Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add contacts to Mailchimp. There are 3 primary methods to grow your audience: manually adding individual subscribers, importing a list from a file, or using sign-up forms. Each method serves a different purpose, whether you have one new lead or hundreds of existing contacts. We will cover each option in detail, ensuring you can effectively manage your Mailchimp audience. To add a single contact, first log into your Mailchimp account and go to the Audience dashboard. From there, click on Manage Audience and select Add a Subscriber. You will then enter the individual's email address, first name, and last name. Remember, it is crucial to confirm that you have explicit permission to email this person before finalizing the addition to your audience. For adding many contacts at once, importing a file is most efficient. Begin by preparing your contact data in a spreadsheet, saving it as a CSV or TXT file. Make sure an email address column is present. In Mailchimp, navigate to Manage Audience, then Import Contacts. Choose to upload your file, then carefully match your spreadsheet columns to Mailchimp's fields to ensure accurate data transfer. Sign-up forms are an excellent way to organically grow your audience. Mailchimp provides several options, such as embedded forms for your website or pop-up forms. You can customize these forms to align with your brand and gather specific information from new subscribers. Once set up, simply embed the form on your site or share its unique URL. New contacts who complete the form are automatically added to your Mailchimp audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.